Hi all, Namaste. My name is Prince Aryan and I am from class 5. Today, in this video, we are going to talk about a science experiment which will give you a quick idea about acids and base. So let's start our experiment. So friends, to do this experiment, what all materials you need is two glass containers, then water, you need some turmeric powder, detergent powder, some lemon juices and a spoon. So to make this experiment, first we will take an empty container to start. So friends, here we have taken an empty glass and some turmeric powder. Now put this turmeric powder inside this glass. Now as you can see, I have put the turmeric powder inside the container. Now let us add some water in it. Here you can see I have added some water. Let's mix it properly. Let's add some more water. Okay, that's enough. Now as you can see, our solution is made. Okay. Now next what you need to do is you need to add a little detergent powder. So let's add it. Here you can see I'm adding some detergent. I have added some detergent powder in this solution. Now mix this properly. Voila! As you can see, the solution's color has changed into red. The previous color you have seen that was yellow is now changed to red. So, let's add some another material which is the lemon juice. Now, this is our new solution and we need to add the lemon juice in it. Let's add it. Alright. We have added, now let's mix. Wow! Oh my god, how this is happening? See, our new solution's color has been changed to yellow. And this is what basically is our acid and bases. See, I'm mixing it over here and I'm also showing it to you. The color has changed again to yellow. So friends, what is the logic behind it? So as you can see, first of all, we have used the turmeric powder. This turmeric powder is basically an indicator that helps us to indicate that if our substance is an acid or it is a base. First, we have put some turmeric powder in this container and added some water in it. So that makes our indicator. Next, we added some detergent powder. Now, as you know, detergent is a base and base interacts with the indicator and it changes its color. And that is why when we add this detergent with this turmeric water, the color of this solution was changed into red because this was a base. Now, as you can see, when I added the lemonade juice or the lemon juice inside the new solution, the color changed to its initial position, means the yellow color, which is the color of the turmeric powder. Now, why this happens? Because the acid which was present in the lemon juice didn't react with the solution, and that is why the color comes to its initial position. So guys, I hope you like this experiment. You can also try this experiment in your school lab or itself in your home. For more such fun and understanding conceptual videos, be sure to subscribe my channel, like this video and comment your thoughts in this channel only. Bye all, see you in the next video.